today the odds from the hacked app is what I'm going to give you, and these odds, they are 90 to 99% winning assured, and it is 56 plus odds, of which you can use it to try your luck to know how this odds is going to bless us for today. So without wasting my time, let me take you to the games from the hacked app, which is 56 plus odds. Okay, and if you see this video to be interesting, make sure you do subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so that anytime I drop new video concerning content like this, you are going to get it. Like this video, so do not forget to share this video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. Now let's get into the odds. Okay, so the first on the list is the match between Senegal versus Sudan, and this match they tipped first 10 minutes draw, which is given an odd of 1.19. The second is Mali versus that of the Tunisia, and this match they tipped first half handicap 1 for Tunisia, which is given an odd of 1.29. Also, Aston Villa versus Nottingham Forest, this match they tipped Asian handicap plus 0.5 for Aston Villa, giving an odd of 1.26. Espanyol versus Barcelona, this match they tipped straight win by 2.5 for Barcelona, giving an odd of 1.48. Also, the match between Elche and Villarreal, they tipped over 0.5 goals for Villarreal, giving an odd of 1.22. And the match between Juventus and Lecce, they tipped straight win by 2.5 for Juventus, giving an odd of 1.3. Atalanta Roma, they tipped Asian handicap plus 1.5 for Roma, which is giving an odd of 1.2. Also, the match between Monaco and Lyon, they tipped any team to score 3 or more goals in a row. No, that is no to any team to score 3 or more goals in a row, giving an odd of 1.28. Also, Nice versus Strasbourg, this match they tipped over 0.5 goals for Strasbourg, giving an odd of 1.23. And Lille versus Rennes, this game they tipped both teams to score, giving an odd of 1.66. Also, Benfica versus Estrela, this game they tipped straight in by 2.5 for Benfica, giving an odd of 1.25. And Al Ittihad versus Al Tawan, this game they tipped over 0.5 goals for Al Tawan, giving an odd of 1.44. And the last on the list is the match between Bournemouth and Arsenal. This match they tipped straight in by 2.5 for Arsenal, giving an odd of 1.50. So the booking code is what you see on the screen here, which is giving an odd of 44.6 with a maximum bonus of 40%, totaling 56 odds on this particular game. So for me, one game that I would like you to make changes to it is the game between Bournemouth and that of the Arsenal. They tipped straight in by 2.5, but for safer side, you can make it straight in by 1.5 for Arsenal. Okay, I think this one will be the safer option. Okay, and as I always say, these odds they are subject to changes. So if you see 1 or 2 selections in this odds which is not your favorite, you can do changes to it by editing or removing it from this particular game. And let's see and hope we see greens for today. As I always say, if you like watching content like this, make sure you do subscribe to the channel so that you'll be part of this community. And every blessed day, if I drop new games from the hacked app, you are going to get it. Like this video, so do not forget to share this video to your friends so as to benefit from this particular video. Here is Talk Tech, and we shall meet again in the next video. Greetings once again.